How can you train new employees optimally? We share 2 important tips. Tip number 1. Make use of storytelling. The most effective storytelling approach in corporate training is the traditional approach. Keep the story simple with a beginning that sets the scene and places the trainees in the work environment. Then comes the middle of the story, which should introduce the trainees to possible difficulties that they may encounter in the workplace. Finally, there should be a resolution that provides trainees with possible answers as how to conduct themselves in the workplace. Tip number 2. Keep in mind that you are dealing with adults. Adults learn differently to children because adults have life experiences that they instinctively fall back on in decision-making. Keep this in mind when devising stories for training purposes by carefully considering what will resonate well with the prior experiences of the trainees. In addition, adult minds have already developed a good level of critical thinking. They cannot be taught like parrots. Something highly engaging is required. Storytelling is required. When adults learn, they need to know that there is a definite purpose. If there are no clear objectives, they may feel that they are wasting time. So, set the objectives, and then tell a story to illustrate where you are going in the training process. It also appears that adults prefer practical learning over theory. So, take the story to the next level by involving trainees in the story through role play. Use a story to set a scenario that employees can expect to face and develop that into an opportunity for trainees to take part in the story. The trainees are required to deal with the role-play situation that they find themselves in. Afterwards, trainees can discuss the experience and get feedback from the trainer. And this is how you can train new employees optimally. Keep adult learning in mind and make optimal use of storytelling.